first, think big. What am I talking about? Setting up a passive income property management business. So let's talk about how this whole thing's going to work. First things first is you're going to need a property management website. You're going to have to hire some VAs. That's where most of your money's going to go to. And what are the VAs going to do? The VAs are going to find furnished apartments on Craigslist, Zillow, apartments.com, FB Marketplace, just to name a few. They're going to reach out to property managers, owners with those furnished apartments and ask if they would be open to the Airbnb business to make 3 to 5 times their money that they can make from a regular tenant. Once you get a good positive response, you then set those people up, the VAs, set them up with a trial by listing the existing photos that they have on Airbnb. You gain a lot of inquiries from guests that they're interested in the property. You then collect all that data, show it to the property managers, owners, and landlords to say, hey, look, you can make this amount of money, and guess what? I will manage the entire process for you. I'm talking about communication with your guests, your cleaners, and the team of people that I have that help me out to make sure that your business continues to drive, okay? And you can charge these people, if you get the green light, you could charge them $800 to about $1,000 a month. We'll slice it down the middle, say $900. And all you need is 11 properties. What you do is you hire the same VA that did the outreach for you to handle the day-to-day. That's it. 1K to 10K. Let's go.